Hello, thanks for joining today's class. Uh, we will be briefly looking at uh, drawing in a different perspective, how to draw easily. And this class, we'll be looking at how to draw the frontal view. That's the frontal view of an elephant. And drawing it's very easy. It's very easy if you can follow the basic principles. Before you start drawing, first you need to have the picture of that which you want to do in your mind as we begin. So just follow this principle carefully and you'll be able to achieve your own success in this discipline. Okay? To draw the frontal view of an elephant, the first thing to do is to think of which object easily relates to that which you want to draw. And for me, I'll have first the diamond shape. Diamond shape. And then I'll have a cycle. I'll just be a bit fast. And then a rectangle, more like a rectangle shape. Another shape there, just to help portray that which I want to do. So with this, I begin my drawing. Just follow the steps. You see, I'm dividing here to here, here to here, here to here. Dividing it into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. Have another shape. See that? Let's just forge ahead. Just follow as I do this. See that? So let's bring something like a square shape. Okay. So let's still go ahead, having something more like an oval shape around these regions. Okay, so just follow carefully as we begin to bring out the details. See that? So gradually we're trying to achieve something there. So So around this side, you could just have maybe the eyes. Now you need not to worry about some of the lines you're making. Just feel free. Just feel free. Just feel free. You see that? Let's come further. Some of the things some of the features we'll be putting down. All right. Just like I say, just be flexible and feel free. See, gradually we're beginning to have your shapes come out. So around the side, let's have something this way. You see that? See that? See, from your basic shapes, you've gotten that which you're looking for from your basic shape. So you can use your shadings to bring the necessary other things out to make it look more real. You can decide to just shade. See that? See that? See that? So you're already having the frontal view of your elephant. See that? Could have something like this. Just see that? So this is just an easy way of drawing an elephant. See that? As an easy way of drawing an elephant, as a frontal view of an elephant. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.